Okay, so this is one of the, a little bit difficult to hold the camera and do this at the same time. This is the included dust filter. When I put it in,
Dustbin installed.
it says dustbin installed.
Dustbin removed.
I'm going to remove it and set it here and take yours out of the box and put one into the filter. You can tell it's new, so I put it into the dustbin. It's installed. Put it into the vacuum. It doesn't say anything. However, I'll use the other one. If I just lay it in the bottom,
Dustbin installed.
it does trip the magnet,
Dustbin installed. Dustbin removed.
which is in the back, but it won't do it in the dustbin. So that's the problem with your filters.